Hello, this is Wes Bridle, and this is another Kingdom Calling Economic Update. And we are running through a series of points. It's been a couple weeks since I did my last full one, so we're doing a series of these, and we'll put them up one day after another. This point is to talk about whether we're going to have an imminent bubble burst or not. There's indicators on both sides. A couple that show that there's a good chance that asset bubbles will burst. And again, I'm now filming this several days before this will go up, so it's always possible it's happened. But the Holbert newsletter index is showing 62.8% of newsletter writers are bullish. That's a very high number and only seen usually right before there's a crash. The equity mutual funds are down to only 3.6% cash. It means all these professional people are full in. They're all expecting the market to go up. You might think that's a bullish sign, but typically when everyone's in, that means there's no one left to buy, and that usually happens right before the big crash. Volatility is also extremely low. So the volatility is measured by the cost of options that traders charge or spend. And when things are crazy, option prices are high. When things are very smooth, option prices are low because no one's worried. Again, this typically happens right before a big crash. And the market tends to be rallying on extremely low volume and falling on high volume. That's another indicator that the market could crash soon. So that it's pretty likely that happens soon. On the other hand, a lot of small individual investors still aren't buying this rally, which means they could, one by one, continue coming in and push it up for some months into the future. Because it's not everybody in, only the professionals are excited about this. If more and more individuals are pulled from the sidelines, it could keep going up. I'm actually filming this on Tuesday, and the market hit a new 17-month high today in the S&P. The Dow doesn't look like it's quite hit it yet. But after a month or two of stumbling around, the fact that it's pushed into a new high is a bullish indicator that it's got some strength to it. So, that's a little way of saying it could go either way, but hopefully it'll give you some indicators to have an idea of what could happen. I feel very confident there's going to be a crash within the year. I don't know the size or when, but if you are in stocks, you should make sure you really understand what you have and why you have it and why you want to hold it, because the stock market, although it could go up for many months more, it's got a lot more reason to go down than up at this point. Thanks, and if in order to get more context of everything we're talking about, check out the Coming Storm video. There's a free link to go watch it, and that will give you full context of what's going to happen in the economy going forward. Thanks, and God bless you.